Hey, what's going on, guys? Red Machine back on the video. Welcome back to another box break. We got another box. Got this the wrong way. Another box of Gyspy Queen. It's my fourth box. My mom got this for me at Target. It was like the last one there. On every box, you get 49 cards, 7 packs per box with 7 cards per pack. And let's open this puppy up, shall we? In my first box, I open up of this I got from Target. I got myself an autograph. So you can pull another one out of here. Wonder if I could pull any Mike Trout autographs from retail. I was trying to ask myself that question earlier, actually. I got this from my mom, actually, so. Fourth box of Gyspy Queen. I don't know where I put my third box. Oh, I have 4, but there's 3 right there. I don't remember where I put my other one. So here we go. Alright. Got a Max Scherzer. Nice card. Akil Badu, rookie. Is that a rookie card? No, that's a second year card. Okay, never mind. We got Akil Badu. Power's working right now. We got a rookie card of Stuart Fairfield. He's on the Diamondbacks. Next card, we got a Mike Trout. Nice card right there. There's 4 boxes. I'm going to try to go for the set, I guess. Grooves. Okay, O'Neal Grooves. Oh, Cruz. Okay, I thought with the G for a second. O'Neal Cruz. I thought I said Grooves. Wait, what? That ain't right. Mike Yastrzemski, son of Carl Yastrzemski. That was a weird moment right there. I do apologize. And the A's, Matt Chapman. Alejandro Kirk. Green rookie of Cruz. Shout out to Jab family. Oh, we got a nice card coming up. Oh, my second one. Nice. We got a Taylor Trammell. We got another one of these QG gems. Shohei Ohtani is my second one. Love this card. Nice mini. Just Queens used to have minis. Now they don't, but those are kind of minis now. You got a green of Alex Kirilloff. I got to watch my Cubs yesterday. And Yankees. Cubs are not really doing well today. This year. Or how they'll do the day. Oh, that one went flying. Okay. Next pack. Come on, autograph for Apparel. Last time I got a nice Ichiro. Number 150. You got Schmidt. You got Romy Gonzalez. We got a McGill. I gotta pronounce the last name. You got Aaron Judge. Nice. He's doing really well right now. Oh, this is for the PC. Nice Chris Bryant green. Boom. Love that card. Still PC Chris Bryant a lot. He still is my favorite player of all time. Oh, besides, my favorite club right now is probably either this guy or Contreras. Madrigal. And we got a Walker Buehler, which he's going to be out for, I think, 2 years. Alright, next cards here. Jake Burger. Jose Berrios. I watched the Twins and Yankees last night. Surprised the Red Sox are not really good, doing good this year. It's kind of an off year for Boston. But in every pack, you guys get a green. We got another decent green coming up. Actually, we got a Bo Bichette. Nice one there. My mom did say this was a good luck box, and she was right. Was it Chris Bryant? Chris Bryant. I was looking for that actually. Think about maybe going for that. I haven't bought any singles Chris Bryant cards for a while. Same with Ovechkin, so. Will Smith. Got Kyle Schwarber. Nice card right there on the Red Sox. Ever since he was on the Cubs, he's been to 3 different teams. The Nationals, the Red Sox, and the Phillies. Every team has red in their uniform. You got William Contreras. You got a green of Josh Bell. That's one there. Anthony Rendon. We got a Brent Rooker. Okay, last 2 packs. Any parallels, any autographs, or any relics? I haven't pulled a relic out of here. Just a quick, I pulled a lot of nice relics in the past. 2016 with some mini relics. Guys hearing the walking, you guys pretty much hearing the walking down in the background, by the way. Got to mention that. Joe Rusman. Jose Abreu. We got a Jose Berrios. Nice card there. We got a Ketel Marte. Nice card. And our last card of this pack is a Travel D. Arnold. Last pack. I gotta see what cards I need left for my set here. Definitely don't. Oh, we got a nice parallel coming up. I didn't see who it was, but I'll have it. It's another. Looks like another blue. So we got a Gene Segura. Nice Wander Franco rookie. Lucas Giolito. Austin Hayes. Try to do a slow reveal here. Justin Hero. See, there's a blue right there. Got a Alex Verdugo green. My favorite players. And we got a blue of Matt Olson twin. That's number 2/150 like these. So back-to-back boxes. We got a nice blue parallel out of these. That was a good box. Got the Chris Bryant green. I got the blue of Matt Olson twin. Definitely a good box. A Schwarber there. Yeah, that was a good box. You got a Wander Franco rookie. I don't have any sleeves for these guys right now. I'll have to get more here soon. I got a Burger, Walker Buehler, Metrical. Best player this year, probably. Judge and Shohei Ohtani as well. That was probably my favorite box of this, actually. You got the Chris Bryant green. You got the Shohei Ohtani insert. I really like, actually. You got the Mike Trout. Starting off with a Max Scherzer as well. Go ahead and put these in here. I'll have to make a checklist, and I also have to get a storage box for these. That's how I go for my sets now. Recap on the greens and stuff. It looks like you only get one insert per box on average, and mostly greens. But most boxes, smelling my second one, I've only gotten the light blue. It's on my PC for sure. And there's the two cards. Really good stellar box right there. I don't know why it's a stellar box, but that was a good box. My favorite so far. I'll have to open up another one of these at some point. I bought all of them at Walgreens, actually. All of them they've had, and that was the last one at Target. My mom said I didn't go get it. My mom got it for me. So, next there. That was actually a really good box. Alright, before I end the video here, I'm sure you guys something I did the other day. You guys might see videos here in the future. Look at that Chris Bryant, though. I don't have any Chris Bryants on the Rockies yet, but that's definitely a nice card. Okay, so I was gonna show you guys something. So for set collecting recently, I got these boxes. I just labeled them the other day. 2017 Topps now. I'm thinking about maybe going for these cards. Minus maybe the relics and autographs and stuff. This one I had to put stuff in here yesterday because cats would not stop going on my shelves. They're just getting out of control. So sure, other cards right now because I gotta get more storage boxes, but this box is gonna be for my 2017 Topps Now set. Got the Harper. Got these nice Cody Bellinger rookies. I got one when it first came out. Chris Bryant right there. That's my favorite card, actually. Chris Bryant. And Chris Bryant NLDS. I got 2017, 18, and 19s. I'm thinking about going for 2022 at some point. So, trying to go, set collect everything. If I don't, I don't. But I'm thinking about maybe going for a lot of, sets. Stuff, I don't know. I want to see if I can try to get them all. But who knows? So I got those two. And there's the other one I was going to show you guys here. Got two of these boxes right now. This one's kind of cleaner right now. '18. Boom. Oh. God damn it, camera. Sure, my auto relics in here right now. Just for now. But now, 2018s. You got Cole Hamels. Brian Almore Jr. So, thought about maybe going for set collecting this. If I can get every card. Be cool. I'm only missing 2 more cards, or 3 more cards right now. It's not all the cards I have out, but I'll just want to show you guys, I might be set collecting this, so if you guys see any mail days, yeah, check them out. So this is kind of a bonus content right now, showing you guys just cards. So, Chris Bryant, Rizzo and Harper. Cody, that might be a big dollar card, actually. Schwarber. Arrieta. Angels card. 13-3 records. Works best start in franchise history. I remember when they had that record. It slowly slowed down, though. And they start losing. But they did alright in 2018. Ian out. Got Hopper. And first card of Tops now for 18. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry for the long video, kind of ish. But I just want to show you guys the cards, and that's what I've been going for. And right down there, I got my 2010-11 Ultimate Collection box. Stuff in there, storage for now. And got my Chris Bryant PC and my Ovechkin PC. And just other boxes. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. And also, for these cards, the cards I don't have out yet, I do have an Ohtani rookie, higher bias laying around, and a Giancarlo Stanton card number 2 for Tops now. So, alright, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys see me all days coming up for these, stay tuned. For anything, I like to collect. Very much, I'm a set collector at this point, and I PC 2 players a lot, but I do PC Favre and Rodgers as well, and Michael Jordan. But besides that, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for putting my finger in there, and I will see you guys soon. Alright, love you all. Go Cubs, go.